7 inches. 7 inches? I left my measuring tape inside. Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Path Project's Sykes PX Running Shorts. Path Projects makes running gear with an emphasis on running shorts. Today we have their Sykes PX running shorts that we're going to be focusing on. They originally designed the Sykes PX running shorts for ultra marathon runners, but they really are great for any distance. One of the key features of these shorts is that they have a very interesting and specifically divided up storage option. There are 3 zipper pockets with YKK zippers, 2 on either side of the shorts, back of the shorts, and 1 center zipper pocket that's meant for your cell phone. The center pocket fits most cell phones, but they do recommend a slim case just to make it easy to take out and put your cell phone back in. And the idea with this configuration is just to be able to keep everything separate, so nothing's bunched up together. You won't have all your items in one pocket, so they'll be evenly displaced across your pants. And then you won't have everything dragging your shorts down mid-run. For the construction of these shorts, they're made with Toray Prime Flex fabric. It's a pretty innovative fabric that comes from Japan. The flex on the fabric comes from a spiral yarn that's used in the construction. It gives it a 360-degree stretch, meaning it basically can stretch horizontally and vertically without the use of Lycra or spandex. And the result is a stronger, lighter, more quick-drying, and less water-absorbent fabric. On top of that, it's abrasion resistant, making it much softer on your skin, and it's substantially breathable. All Path shorts are unlined, and for good reason. They do offer 3 different base liners that pair with their shorts. The number 1 advantage is less friction and increased comfort. Friction could be a pretty huge issue when you're looking at longer runs. With Path Project's design, the shorts right on the base liner, so you can move around without having to worry about the shorts actually rubbing up against your skin. There's a buffer, and this virtually eliminates chafing. While these are very technical pants for more serious runners, I do think any casual or new runner can take advantage of these shorts. And of course, another advantage of having the base liners and the shorts separate is that Path Projects actually offers different base liners for various weather conditions, temperatures obviously, so you can have perfect comfort when you're out on the run. The Sykes PX shorts is a classic fit. It's not too roomy, not too snug, and it comes in 2 inseam lengths of 5 inches and 7 inches. This is the 7 inches right here. Overall, as I mentioned before, I think these shorts are perfect for really any runner, or even anyone trying to stay fit, but obviously running is what they were meant for. Whether you're training for your next ultra marathon or just a new casual runner, you could still get the benefits of these running shorts easily. Path Project shorts, both the Sykes PX and their base liners for that matter, are extremely comfortable. You can actually notice the difference between these shorts and some other running shorts out there. Their design is utilitarian, minimalistic, and just perform extremely well. If you're looking for an extremely comfortable pair of running shorts that will help reduce some chafing and just better organize yourself when you're carrying your necessities on a run, I would definitely check out Path Projects. That's it for our first look of Path Projects Sykes PX running shorts. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti First Look coming at you next week.